Linktree tutorial. How to use Linktree for affiliate marketing, business, and more. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. Today we're having a look at Linktree and how it can help you grow your business through affiliate marketing and a bunch of other methods. So all you need is an email address and you can sign up for free. There are no credit card details required for the free plan. So once you've done that, you will land on this page over here. And as you can see, it's very straightforward, not a lot of buttons, and it's very easy to use. So we're going to start right up at the top of the right hand side of the screen, and you can see the little profile over there, and right over here you can change all the details of your account. You can access your billing information, your cookie preference, and then you have a bunch of support. You can also sign out of your account right over there. So it is very, very simple and straightforward. Next, you have a share button on the top right hand side, and here you can share your links to all your social media. You can access a QR code which you can use on possibly your physical products, and then you can also share your profile picture. You can open up your Linktree account, and then right at the bottom is a Linktree link which is to your account. So once you have figured out through the settings of your account all of your preferences, you can now go over to the toolbar on the top of the left hand side of the screen, and the first thing we have here is links. We then have appearances, analytics, and settings. Now the first thing to show you, of course, once you tap on analytics, is all of the analytics, the basic and detailed analytics of your account. So right now there is no data for this page because it is a new account. However, this is where everything will show up. We can then navigate over to settings at the top of the page on the toolbar. And once you get into settings here, you can define your entire profile. So starting from the top, you can see that there are some social icons that you can add. So once you tap on add icon, you will now be able to add any one of these icons, and you can scroll down and you have pretty much any one of the social media platforms that you use. You can just tap on any one of them. Perhaps we say Threads, and then you can enter your username, and then you will be able to add that just by tapping add to Linktree. So once you have added all the social media icons that you would like, you can move on to a support banner. Now a support banner basically allows you to show people what cause you support and what is important to you. So you can toggle it on and off right over here with this toggle switch, and then you can choose a cause that you are in support of. So as you can see here, there are a few options. You can just choose any one of those, and as you can see here, there is a banner and it says display a support banner on your LinkedIn tree, allowing your visitors to donate and discover resources in support of anti-racism, justice, and equality. And if you don't want that on anymore, you can just again toggle that switch off and it will not be displayed anymore. Then you have your mailing list integration. So right here you can add an email sign up, an SMS sign up, and a Twitch extension which enables your Linktree for use with Linktree Twitch extension. And then you have some commerce integration, so you can connect different providers here. All you need to do is tap on add new integration, and as you can see here, there's a list of integrations: PayPal, Shopify, Spring, Square. And once you tap on that, you will just enter some details. So in this case, you'll enter your store name for Shopify, and then also the products and collection details, and then you will just tap next and you can connect your Shopify store right over there. Then as you go down, you can toggle on or off your sensitive material. So it says you can display sensitive content warning before a visitor views your profile, and then there are a bunch of SEO optimization details here that you can change. Your analytics integration, so you can integrate your analytics from one of your other social media platforms straight onto Linktree. And then you have a subscribe button that you can add onto your Linktree profile, which is also always nice because you can now have proper control over who your audience is and what it is that they want. And then you also have the affiliate programs, which you can add on to your profile. So once you've gone through all these settings and you're happy with everything that you have set up, you can go all the way to the top again, and we can now tap on appearance. This page basically will give you the opportunity to customize what your Linktree profile actually looks like, what your page looks like. So right at the top, you can pick a profile image. So all you have to do is tap on pick an image, and you can either upload your own image. It gives you the option to design with Canva. I think right now you know that I love Canva, so that's definitely the option I will choose. And then it also says use your NFT for your profile. So whatever option you would like over here, you can choose one, and then you can add a profile image. So I have uploaded this profile image, and as you can see on the right hand side, there is a display of what the mobile app will actually look like. So as you can see, it's got your tag and it has your profile image over there. And the reason for this is because most of the people that will be using Linktree are actually using it on a mobile device, and it's not uncommon for it to be used on a desktop. However, it is fully mobile optimized, so it can easily be used on your mobile device. So every change that you make, you will see it now on this mobile display. So as we're going down, we can now change the profile tag. As you can see right over here, you can change that to whatever it is that you would actually like. And once you're happy with that, you can then enter a bio. A bio is a little bit about who you are or your business or whatever this profile is about. Then you can enter that detail right in over there at your bio. You can also now add social icons. So if you can just tap on that, you can now add in whatever social icons you would like that are linked to your business or to your account. And if you do that, it basically pushes you straight to the settings tab over here, and then you can do the social icons. So I'm going to go back into appearance, and we are going to continue customizing our profile. And as we travel down here now, you can see that you can also customize your account with a theme. And there are a bunch of different themes. Some of them you need the pro account. However, some of them, as you can see, like these two over here, you don't actually need a premium account or a pro account to access them. You can just choose that if you'd like, and we can move on. You can also choose a different background for your profile. You can change the color of the buttons. You can change the style of the buttons, and goes on. You can also change the font. You can also then, as you can see on the right hand side on this mobile device display, there is a Linktree icon. You can actually just have that removed right over here by signing up for the pro account. Now we're going to jump into links on the top left hand side, as you can see there. And now is the point where you can actually add your own links. So looking at this page now, you can tap on the big banner at the top that says add link, and once you've done that, all you have to do is add your URL to your link. So let's say perhaps we have a website, and the website name you can enter in there, and all you have to do then is tap add. And once that has been added, now you can customize that link. So as you can see here, the name of the link is automated as the URL. However, if you tap on that, you can now just change all of these details, and you can perhaps just call it banana tree. You can do it like that, and then you can customize it however you'd like. You can also tap on this button over here and it says redirect. Basically, once you have activated that, it says it temporarily sends all of the visitors that tap on this link straight to the link and not your Linktree account. So you can either put that on or off. You can also add a thumbnail for this link. So you can just tap on that and you can tap on add thumbnail, and you can either upload it or you can choose from a bunch of icons that they offer you. More than that, the prioritize button will push this link straight to the top of your page. If you have multiple links and you would like this up at the top, you can just tap that over there and it says it draws attention to your most important links. Then if you don't want to publish this right now, you can schedule it for a specific time as to when you want it to actually become live over here on your Linktree account. And then if you tap the little lock icon, it basically allows visitors only to access this link by filling in certain information or by a certain criteria. So you can say that your viewers have to either subscribe, they have to enter their date of birth, they have to consent to view sensitive content, or an NFT contract address. So you can turn that on or off just simply by tapping that lock icon. And then as you can see right over here, if you tap that analytics, you can see all of the basic analytics just for that particular link. So you can see right over here, it's giving you a bunch of information. Now, of course, this has not actually been used yet, so it does say 0 clicks. And once you're done, that is pretty much all you need to do to set it up. If you want to add another one, all you have to do is tap on add link again, and you can see that there's a new one that's opened up and you can enter the information. And as you can see over here, they will start to be listed on this mobile display. And that is how you can take advantage of Linktree and really grow your business and understand who your audience is and give them more of what they want. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave us a like. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers for now.